What is up, guys? Trump train is getting ready to roll through. Here it comes right now. Trump Train 2020. Here it is. Justin Hunsberger, his event that he organized, they're live. They're out here right now. Look at this, guys. They're rolling through. We're going to get this camera flipped around and we're going to check this out. This is what they're doing, guys. The Trump train's out here. We're live on Trump My Rides Facebook. We're getting the live feed and this video feed. There's Nate right there, guys. There's Jonathan. What's up, man? We are live, brother. We see you. Him and Brittany. What's up, guys? So, I'm looking all crazy with my hair blown all over. That was Justin Hunsberger's Trump train. He's gonna keep on trapping, keep on trumping. We can come out, show support. We weren't able to make the event today. We got some other things, but we want to come out, show our support, show our love for Justin, what he's doing. And you know, if you support President Trump, then you know, it's support for him too. No haters, guys, no haters. Right there, look at the limo. Look at that. Trump train is what it is for him. So Justin Hunsberger's, big shout out to you, the Stang Banger and the Stang Gang. What's up, guys? We love you. We're out here showing our support. So check him out, guys. Maybe he'll have another event coming. I'm not sure, but if so, I'm gonna post his event, share it. So if you guys are local, you want to jump in and show support, show love for the president and Justin and what his cause and what he's doing, you guys are able to. But anyway, guys, we're off here. Thanks for checking us out on the live feed. We got the Jag and the camera set up back there. We're cutting out. Later, guys. Keep on trapping. Oh. Justin just went by right there. Well, it looks like he's a little behind. Maybe he should have drove the Mustang. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, oh look. Looks like we got another guy behind him here. Looks like we got one more. Look at this. This guy is Trump train. There it is. It's still going. A few stragglers. They must have got lost in the traffic. But alright, guys, we're cutting in the Jag. We're getting out of here. I think that we are gonna go have breakfast. Oh, there's another Trump supporter right there. Not breakfast, I don't know what I'm talking about. We're gonna go have dinner with Aaron and Christy Martz. They always help in the channel, you know, they do a lot of things behind the scenes. There's a little bit of footage of Aaron with him helping me, guys, but it's his birthday, so I think we're gonna go out and have some good Mexican food and enjoy his birthday with him. So until later when we get back, guys, keep on trapping. If you're here and watching the video, make sure you hit that like button, share, follow, all that good stuff. Keep on trapping.